Hello everyone, this is I back again with another video. In the last video we have created this screen where we were displaying all the music that are stored in our app, and when user click on this song, they navigated to a different screen which is a play screen. Inside the play screen we just play the song. So in this video we are going to move forward and try to implement this one. Well, actually I have already implemented it. I'm just going to show the code and walk you through this. So in this video we are just going to see how to implement this slider. This is currently working now in our app, so this is how it looks right now, and this is how I play the song. And once you play the song, this slider gets updated, and this one as well, the timing as well, and you can pause the song, then it goes back to 0. Well, this should not happen, and we will update that, fix this in later videos, but in this video we are just going to focus on this one. And one more feature that I have implemented, and I would like to walk you through that as well. And here you can see this is a mute button. When you press play, and you can mute the song or unmute it. Okay, so this is how it works. And okay, so let me go through the code once, and you will get all the things clearly. And I have also updated, as you can see, I have also updated UI as well. And it is not the best UI over there, but still I just wanted to make some changes to the UI, and that's what I did. And I think it's kind of better than before. So yeah, so now in the last video we have already worked on till this handle play function. And inside the handle play function we get two things, sound and a status. Currently I'm not using a status, but we will need to use it after a while. And in sound we actually get all the functions that basically controls our audio player. So that's the reason I'm just adding sound to a state, so that it is accessible to other functions as well, which we will need. And there is one more function that I have added, is play and pause. Basically earlier this play and pause function was inside this handle play function, but I have kind of separated it, and this is how it looks right now. Now all the states all the playback status is handled by this state only. This is the state. When you go through the docs, you will have to find it that these are all the playback status that Expo AV provides to us. And now this state is, if it is playing already, then it will pause the song. And this status, basically this I am passing the sound over here, and right now I'm not using this function, this playback status, so I would prefer to comment this for now. And yeah, you can see inside the play and pause I'm just passing sound, and this sound is getting pause async, and this sets the status to is set playing pause. I've just added this state here just to update this icon, just to update this icon. We might remove it later, but for now this does our work. And this function, this is playback status, and I'm passing this function inside this create a sync. This function also gives us a status, and kind of same status that this one provides, and this status provides. And inside this we get a status as well, which is a type of AV playback status. And I'm just updating the complete state of the playback status. This state, I'm just updating it and nothing else, just updating it. I'm just taking the previous state and just assigning it to the new state and new state value actually. And in here, and just when the screen is unmounted, will unload a sync so that our music stops playing and stuff. It's we have already implemented this in the previous video. And the next thing is this is the function for handle mute. And basically, if I'm just checking this, if sound state is not equal to empty string, then we're gonna just pass set is mute sync, and inside that I'm just toggling this state of is muted, and this is how it works. Let's play the song, and you can just mute it and unmute it. Okay, and now let's go to this slick. I think this is what we call it. I don't know. So inside the handle slick, this slider gives on value change inside. I'm just passing a function. I have also added some colors as well, and you can grab the code from down in from the description. And those colors are like I have made a separate file for that, and here these are the colors. Actually, I have copied this color from one of the UI that is available on dribbble.com, and I just kind of used it. I don't follow the complete UI. By the way, that UI is quite awesome. So I'm using these colors, and this handle this gets the status, and here it is handle play from. And inside this, basically this is another new feature which I have implemented here, and that is if suppose we play the song and we want to start the song from somewhere else, like from here, we can just do that as well. And this is being handled by this handle slick function. Okay, this on value change, and on value change, this play from position async is getting updated. Okay, so and for the value I'm using state position millis. I have gone through the documentation, and earlier video I was not able to figure out which one to put in values and which one to put on maximum values. So I go through the docs and I figured it out that in the value it should be position millis, and in the maximum value it should be state or duration milli. In this duration milli is the complete duration of the song, and this is the current status of the song where it is being played. And I have added some functions as well, like this get MMS from millis. This function basically converts this millisecond that we are getting from our sound, and passing it and converting it inside, converting it in minute, and just returning it with the colon and seconds and minutes, whatever. So this is how it is being rendered. Here it is. So this is how it is being rendered over here, and yeah, so this is think. So basically this is all we have done in this app till now, and I have added some stylings as well, like for this mute button, this is the styling. And one more thing that I have added, this icon button. Inside this icon button I am using this linear gradient, so that you can see here I'm using linear gradient. I'm using kind of the same color, so that's why it's not that visible. I could have updated some other color which might look good, I guess. So let's just go with 5 and let's see. if this gets updated. I think it is also a kind of similar color, I guess. I don't know which color should I choose to. So anyway, this thing is working. This is the linear gradient. Here you can just get this read more about this linear gradient in Expo linear gradient. I'm using a package, Expo linear gradient. You can use that. And then so this is all we have implemented till now, and in the next upcoming videos we will focus on something else, like using adding some functionalities to back and forward button. And one more thing that I would like to address is that when user pause the song, it goes back to 0, which I kind of don't want that. So in the next video we are going to address that as well. So yeah, so this is it for this video. In the next upcoming videos we will move forward, and if you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.